Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Family Channel. You know me, I'm all about making things beautiful. And right now, there's no place more ready for a little beautifying than our gardens. Spring is here, and it's the perfect time to get your garden blooming. Today, we're sharing the top flowers you should plant this season to create a vibrant and colourful garden. I just love this time of year, don't you? Let's get started, y'all. Now, when I think of spring, I think of sunshine yellow daffodils popping up in the yard. They're just the happiest little things, aren't they? Daffodils are one of the first signs of spring. And let me tell you, they're as tough as they are pretty. You can plant 'em and practically forget about 'em. They're that easy to grow. Plus, they come in all sorts of colours these days, not just yellow. You got your whites, your oranges, even some with a little peachy colour mixed in. Next up, we got to talk about tulips. Now, tulips are just classic, y'all. They're like the little black dress of the flower world, always in style, and just like a good dress, they come in every colour you can imagine. You want bold reds and oranges, you got it. Want something soft and romantic like pinks and yellows, they got those too. You can plant them in beds or even in pots on your porch. They just add a touch of elegance wherever they go. Now, if you want a garden that not only looks good but smells heavenly, you've got to have some hyacinths. These beauties are famous for their incredible fragrance. It's like walking through a perfume shop in the best way possible. And don't even get me started on the colours. Deep purples, pretty pinks, even some with a touch of blue. They're just gorgeous. You plant a few near your porch swing and you can enjoy that sweet smell all season long. Chapter 4. Now let's talk about pansies for a minute. These little darlings are tough as nails. They don't mind a little cold snap, so you can plant them early and enjoy their cheerful little faces for weeks on end. And talk about variety. Pansies come in every colour of the rainbow, and some have the cutest little markings on them. They're like nature's own artwork. Chapter 5. Primroses are another one of those flowers that just scream, spring is here. They're early bloomers, so they're perfect for adding a pop of colour when everything else is just waking up from winter. Now, these sweet things prefer a little shade, so tuck 'em in under a tree or along a fence line. They come in the prettiest pinks, purples and yellows, and some even have a delicate little fragrance. They're just precious. Chapter 6. Now, if you want something tall and dramatic in your garden, you've got to try snapdragon. These beauties can grow up to 3 feet tall, and they come in every colour you can imagine. Plus, they're called snapdragons for a reason. You'll gently pinch the sides of the flower, and it looks like a dragon opening and closing its mouth. It's so much fun, especially for the grandkids. Chapter 7. Sweet peas. Charm and fragrance galore. You want your garden to smell like a dream? Plant some sweet peas. These climbing beauties have the most incredible fragrance, and they're just so charming. They come in all sorts of pretty colours, from delicate pastels to bright and bold shades. Give them something to climb on, like a trellis or a fence, and watch them go. Oh, peonies. These gorgeous flowers are like the queens of the late spring garden. They're big, they're bold, and their blooms are just breathtaking. We're talking pinks, whites, reds, corals. You name it, they got it. Plus, they make the most beautiful bouquets. Lilies are another one of those flowers that just scream elegance. They come in so many varieties, from the classic white Easter lily to the more exotic-looking oriental lilies. They're perfect for adding a touch of sophistication to your garden, and they also do really well in containers. And now let's talk about marigolds. These cheerful flowers are like little bursts of sunshine in the garden. Plus, they're known for their pest-repelling properties. Just plant a few around your veggies, and they'll help keep those pesky bugs away. Marigolds come in all sorts of yellows, oranges, and reds, and they're so easy to grow. Well, there you have it, y'all. 10 of my favorite flowers to plant in the spring. I hope this gave you some inspiration for your own gardens. Remember, the most important thing is to choose plants that bring you joy. Thanks for watching. We hope you found some inspiration for your spring garden. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more gardening tips and ideas. And be sure to let me know what you're planting this year in the comments below. Happy gardening, everyone!